Improve your guest communication and efficiency with Tripleseat's automated discussions. The automations are designed to cater to the needs of hospitality event professionals and are triggered by specific events in your workflows to send instantly, leaving no time wasted in your day. Combined with unique email templates created in your site, automated discussions guarantee all communication represents your brand voice and guests are never left on red. To create and manage automated discussions, go to Settings and then Automations. Simply click New Automation to start. Based on system triggers, you can create an automated discussion, an automated task, or both, giving you full control of your workflow. For automated discussions, you can set a trigger and send date and select relevant locations. You can also choose a sender and select from a list of your pre-made email templates. Imagine an event manager needs to send a thank you email to the contact one day after the event has been moved to closed, including a call to action to rebook in the future. Once the automated discussion is configured with the appropriate email template, it automatically generates and sends the email to the guest without manual intervention. Or consider the ability to immediately convert any existing automated tasks into a discussion. Instead of waiting for the task to send a follow-up email looking to confirm a final guest count a few days before the event, this can now be done effortlessly by converting the task to an automated discussion. Once an automated discussion is set to trigger, these can be easily accessed in the Pending tab in the user's discussion center or within a lead, event, or bookings discussion tab. Here, discussion messages can be reviewed, canceled, or edited and sent manually before being triggered to send. Automated discussions also come with robust built-in error handling. If a sender loses access to a location or an email template is deleted, clear error messages will guide you to resolve the issues, ensuring the system's reliability and your peace of mind that no communications are missed. Admins can utilize the Pending Automated Discussions report for a comprehensive overview of all pending discussions across your site. This report is crucial for maintaining oversight and ensuring all communications are on track. For more detailed information on how to set up automated discussions, check out our crash courses linked below. These walkthrough guides are downloadable and print-friendly, filled with easy-to-follow steps and some of our best practices for getting the most out of automated discussions. Get ready to experience the power of automation with automated discussions. Streamline your workflow, enhance communication efficiency, and let our system handle the repetitive tasks. Say goodbye to manual steps and hello to effortless automated communication.